New Year's. New Year's Eve. Hi everyone! Welcome back to my channel, Rona's Diary. Samahan niyo ako mag-prepare ng ihanda natin sa New Year's. Ayan, simulan na natin maghanda-handa ng ating lulutuin. Ano pa ba? Magluto tayo ng adobado. Adobado talaga. Iwa.
Hi everybody, I'm gonna pick up some things in Walmart for New Year's Eve. Kasi wala pa kaming gamit, magko-customize tayo ng damit. Bye, see you later.
Take care, bye-bye. Ako naman ay magluto-luto na nga. Simulan na natin. Busy ang mga person. Tapos, ang di ko maganda, yung linabahan ko, hindi pa natuyo. Kahapon pa yun.
So hi guys, naman tayong here. May last minute purchase si Mama for like New Year's preparation. Kasi mga nakalimutan niya to past videos. Also, natabi siya ng egg and chicken liver, so shrimp na yung headless. Kasi kailangan niya po ito concept. That's all.
Yung kaya ng sauce, habang linulot ang sauce, linulot na din ang noodles. Di ba sayang to? Ganyan yung parang pang-harap. Di ba sayang? Shit. Parang katagal lahat. Kasi sayang. Tigain. Sarap man. Oh. Simple lang siya. Hiniling lang at tapos lalagyan ng konting paminta rin kasi makainin ng kung David konti lang lagyan natin ng iba.
Rocking around the winter tree at the frosty park. Candles glow and where you can see every heart begins to stop. Rocking around the winter tree, let the joyful laughter ring. Later we'll taste that apple pie and we'll raise our voices high. You will feel a gentle feeling when you...
Tapos na yung spaghetti, mag-adobado tayo. Adobado. Yung gisa-gisa bawang. Ilagay natin ito. Mix nila. mabilisan. Mas bating yung term. Ito palambutin na natin. Magluto tayo ng pansit. Bacon. Gisado. Hindi lang natin lalagyan ng tubig. Hintayin natin na kumti mga karne bago lagyan mo tubig yung samong mantikain mo. Tapos niyan, habang naghihintay, i-ready ko na itong hipon para sa bihon, pansit.
So hi everyone, I'm in Walmart right now and looking for something that I can use to customize the polos. I already got the stickers, front stickers for the polka dots, and I'm gonna pick up my permanent fabric spray later, and also I'm just looking for like a red ribbon because Mama told me to buy a red ribbon, and also hanap tayo ng gold coins. Able to get everything na kailangan namin for this Christmas Eve. But unfortunately, the only thing na hindi ko nabili is yung gold coins. Which is, gagawa natin ng paraan para mamaya. See you later, bye.
Luto tayo ng adobado. Ano kaya yung adobado?
Yeah, what's adobado?
It's in mas batin yung term. Recipe ni Papa. Adobado. Para lang kalderita. Kalderita sana. Pero yung tawag nila, adobado. Tawag sa... Luto na ang ating adobado. Sarap. Yummy!
So hi guys, now we're gonna take over because we're gonna make prosperity bowl right now. So let's go.
I want to try.
You wanna join me?
Yes.
Okay.
What are you
Let's-
gonna do first?
I'm gonna show you how to do it.
Oh.
So magpagawa tayo ng prosperity bowl for New Year. No, you're not gonna eat it.
I'm just gonna put it in my nose.
Like this.
Yeah.
You gotta tear it like this apart. Tear it apart. Not like that, like this. Just like this. Then put it here. Then- You cannot just tear it like this. No, no.
We're gonna do it.
So now we already put what? What's this?
I don't know.
Cotton. We put cotton and then we're getting rice now.
Huh?
Rice.
Why?
We're gonna put rice over here.
Hmm?
We're gonna put rice over here.
Why do we need to put it?
We're not getting rice.
I'm gonna mix it up.
No, put it down.
Wait,
You go buy your mama's cup.
Okay, Mommy, can you do it?
Eh,
In the
more.
middle?
Yeah, just more. Just put.
You mean this?
Yeah, just put it.
I'm gonna put
More.
big scoop.
Put it on the center. Pull it on the center. Pour it. Okay, that's it.
Now what you gonna do?
So we already have a bowl of rice, and now we're gonna prepare with the bay leaves. So now we have eggs and
Philips.
Philips. So we're gonna put this now before like the rolled money and
One
everything
money?
else.
You said one.
So we need 12 eggs for this one.
1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8.
Two.
We got 12.
Do this. Already have 12 eggs already on the bowl. We're gonna put bay leaves now.
Why this one is so light?
Hold this one first.
And now we're gonna be done. Now we're done with the Philips.
And now we're done. So we're gonna wait for the bills to prepare kasi ilalabas pa siya ni mama, and then we're gonna wrap around yung ribbon, and then we put it here and also the ang pao. So see you guys later once we're done with this one. Okay, bye. Okay, bye.
What is that?
Yan, luto na ang ating panghalo sa pansit. So, next. At next. Oh, luto na. Tanggalin natin. Lutuin natin yung noodles.
So now we're ready. We got orange, and then the roll bills. We have 9 pieces, and also we have 3 red envelopes. It has like around $168, not pesos, because we're using dollars. So put this in the center.
Already gave you the time and the place, so don't be shy. Just come be the man I need. Tell me you got something to give. I want it. I kinda like it when you call me wonderful. Whatever the type of talk it is, come on then. I gotta know you're meant to be the man I need.
Problema kung ayaw nyo.
Done.
Hi! Happy New Year everyone! Magandang gabi! Kumusta ang inyong New Year's? New Year? Ah, what is that?
Okay.
Kami nagkakanta-kanta, yung aking mga kasama, kanta-kanta. Tapos, kainan. Bibid, huwag kang matulog, babang. Si Hi Vlog. Si Hi. Hi everyone. Bibid, sleepy. Almost. Kain daw siya ng lansones. Oh my God, we have lansones here. Maybe that's lansones. Like
No, I don't like.
wait. Yan, nagkakantahan na. Kantahan na sa talaga. Yan. Dito kami sa garage. Ito ang aming
Mickey.
handa. Ito ang aming handa. My God.
Hindi ko na sana kailangan
Si
Mama.
ang iyong
Uncle Mickey.
adilinain natin ako.
Opa.
Hawak ngiti mo'y
Can you give me Mickey?
Ito yung aking mga
dahil sa
kumakanta. Oh.
Ikaw pala ang akit sa puso ko.
Kumakanta siya. Kasi
Anong gagawin
nakainom na.
sa
Kaya
damdamin?
kumakanta siya. Pero pag hindi nakainom, hindi siya ayaw niya kumanta pag hindi nakainom.
Sana'y unawain ang puso sa iyo'y bangin. Nais ko malaman mo na inibigin ka.
Kanta daw niya yan sa akin.
Nais ko malaman mo na inibigin kita. Nais ko malaman.
Happy New Year everyone! Hindi ko pa pala naipakita sa... Hindi ko pala naipakita. Happy New Year everyone! Hindi na ako nakapag-video kanina kasi in-enjoy ko na lang yung New Year with my family. Thank you for watching everyone. Thank you for support my video. Maraming salamat.
In the sky full of stars.